Hey, good afternoon tubers, just doing some cooking at home with mum and my son and nieces. And we're doing a bit of a camp oven sort of meal, but we got basically it's on hot rocks and inside camp ovens at this time. But it's the way we normally cook at home. It's lovely. My mum in the background there. Mum, my niece and my son doing the preparations. In a few hours this will be cooked. We'll go into the fire now. So this is the 3 camp ovens on the fire. We usually do what we call a mumu out the back here with mum. But we've got lamb in there, and we've also got beef in there as well. I think it's porterhouse, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it was, yeah. Lovely marble piece that is. Yeah, I'll move a bit closer. You can hear the camp oven sizzling away, all of them. So you don't want to go too hot. There should be no real burning pieces on there. Got a couple of little pieces on the right there, but it should be coals. So yeah, just pull that lid off and dunk the stuff off it.
I'll do the alloy one first.
Alright, yeah. Just be careful of the handle, it might kick over. Wattle. It'll be black wattle, I think, most of this. Looking nice, looking nice.
Good,
so we might... Have we got a piece of plywood over there, Nisi? Have we got a piece of plywood to put that on, a cutting board? The pots? Might as well do them all.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, we can put that one there, mate, on the table, so we can put these pots on. Yep. These are... Yep, that looks good, son. Good on you, mate.
Oh, yeah.
Looking good?
Yeah, it smells good. So.
Watch him, Ashley. He's not allowed to touch any of it.
Now, I don't know. I think that's big. Yeah, it is.
What's that one, the mixed one? Yeah.
This is,
that's the mixed one?
The mixed one, yeah.
Yep. So there's lamb and beef in that one. Best cooking it in I got someone I can do videoing on. Lucas used to do good fishing videos when he was a little fella. As he's growing up, he's not too keen on being on the cam. But as a young fella, he was just like throwing it out there. It was great.
He's a bit of a showman.
Yeah, real show pony.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Well done.
Doorway. Pull one of that out.
Thanks for watching. If you like this sort of video, subscribe. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Do you do this at home? How do you cook? Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.